A stepper motor is a specialized electric motor that converts electrical pulses into precise and incremental rotational motion. These motors are widely used in applications requiring accurate positioning, such as 3D printers, CNC machines, and automation systems. A stepper motor is a specialized electric motor used for precise and controlled rotation in discrete steps. It operates by energizing coils in a sequence, causing the motor to move in defined angular increments. Stepper motors are highly accurate and repeatable, making them ideal for applications requiring precision, such as 3D printers, CNC machines, and robotic arms. Their ability to maintain position without feedback, simple control through pulses, and suitability for both open-loop and closed-loop systems make them a staple in automation and robotics. Stepper motors offer reliability and precise control, making them a preferred choice for projects demanding accuracy in motion and positioning. A stepper motor is an essential component for applications that demand precise and controlled rotational motion. Whether you're building a 3D printer, CNC machine, or robotic system, these motors offer the accuracy and reliability required for a wide range of positioning tasks.